A Wisconsin state senator says a backlog of negative coronavirus test results is leading to an inaccurate picture of how the virus is spreading in our state. Fox 6's Hannah Jewell has more on how he says this could wrongly impact local and state government decisions on stopping the spread.
Navigating through this pandemic has brought us in many ways onto uncharted territory.
With all of this data, right, there are bumps in it.
But State Senator Steve Nass says when it comes to the number of negative versus positive COVID-19 tests, not all the negative are being reported in a timely enough manner.
I understand the lag time to some extent, but you need to also put in right behind it those negative numbers so that you have a true picture of what the percentage is, because that's what government is basing their decisions on.
Public Health of Madison and Dane County sharing they updated their dashboard Friday to include 17,000 negative tests they say were backlogged, causing the data dashboard to have a higher positive percentage than there actually was.
It would allow them time for their government to act on shutting down restaurants and bars, and also to put in place a mandatory face mask requirement.
Wisconsin Department of Health Services Secretary Designee Andrea Palm addressed issues with negative test processing in a public address Thursday.
In a number of local jurisdictions who are seeing surges right now is that while as they prioritize those positive cases, the negative cases are dragging behind a day or two or three. We are prioritizing the positive cases, which in a situation like we're in really does make sense because, right, the faster you get those positive cases into the hands of contact tracers, the more quickly that work can start.
It's just a hodgepodge of negatives being thrown into the 1, 7, and 14-day numbers.
Senator Nass calling on the governor and Wisconsin DHS for higher standards to be set, and soon.
That skews that percentage that government relies on.
There are a few counties in the state experiencing backups in processing negative tests, according to the DHS. But when asked, they wouldn't tell us what counties those are. They did add that they're providing staff to help process those tests. Reporting in Milwaukee, Hannah Jewell, Fox 6 News.